Hi guys, welcome to my home. I'm Debapriya. This entryway is one of the starting point of my home because I always believe homes with right entryways give the positive vibes. We're a family of three, me, my husband, and a little one. So it always tells of the love that goes around in this home. A lot of stuff on the furniture in this home is hands down from my parents. So this trolley was my mom's, and it is now a cute little spot when we enter this house. And this bookshelf is the place for me in this house. Me and my husband both are readers, avid readers. This is one of our favorite because Vikram said wrote for both of us in this book, and we had a chat with him. So it's a very favorite memory to have a book from the dear writer himself. This entryway was one of our favorite places to do when we were shifting. I had always been fascinated with that Baroque travelings in Venice, France. So I wanted an arc, and these walls were customized by a local carpenter who helped me get what I had in mind. And then you come to the main place. We spend a lot of time, me, my child, my husband, families, friends coming visiting us. And I love changing the styling of this place because this place is what keeps it going. You see a lot of plants around in this home. Throws and cushions are all around in my space. It makes me feel comfortable, cozy. This wall was one of my favorite walls to do up when we were shifting. I wanted to try paneling in a rental home. This lovely little small vintage mirror from Nastasia became the highlight point of the wall. This little balcony is my garden in the city. We love sitting in the evenings, having our chais and coffees, and this beautiful lake becomes our center point of evening conversations. Let me take you to my dining space that I like to call my work area. We work around this place over the busy mornings, and I like to change it around the season. I'm much inspired by the French farmhouse aesthetics. This has been appreciated by friends over the time. This was a wedding gift from my company when I was moving cities. And this dining area has gone through a lot of transformations. It was a very reddish tinge furniture when I got it. Added the shelves. The crockeries have been collected over the time over my travels. Some have been brought by my mother and handed down. They have been gifts. And this cute herb garden photo frames, I feel it just blended into the space. And in the evening when we sit over this place and have a dinner, it just comes together a very cozy, warm, inviting feel. When we shifted to this home, I wanted to keep a lot of lighter furniture around and keep it budget friendly because we are renters and a young family starting. So I have a young one, and this room is his little play area that I like to give him a space to keep himself occupied and nurture his hobbies. Asked him what colors he would love in his room, and he had said, "Mummy, what a rainbow." So these are his little rainbow polka dots I got for him painted. This one's a little wall art I picked from H&M Home when they came to India, and they have a lovely home collection for children. I love a lot of Kane boho artwork on my walls, and this room was an extension of that aesthetics for my guest bedroom. I got the headboards recently redone and upholstered the bed. This shelf picked from IKEA became the center point for this. I didn't want to make it more clumsy by adding more artwork, so a little bit of the greens in the room. I love picking rugs and keeping it around the house. Keeps it very mess-free when a small child around. So a lot of boho jute rugs. And this is our master bedroom. I had wanted to bring more sunshine to the master bedroom because this is where we wake up in the morning, and I want us to wake up with a positive frame of mind always. I wanted to get in a little bit of art deco into this room. It had, I want to expand on that idea a lot, and it all started with this mirror which I know Anthropology does it, but I wanted a little my version to it, and I got a local carpenter to work it around my frame. This again is a customized dresser unit that I wanted to give more floor space with a child in home running around. So this dresser's unit I designed and got my local carpenter to do it for me. I again have this cane trays from Good Earth. These curtains are from Fab India. I love them. I have them for some years now. And I love the yellows and the whites in the rooms. They brighten the day. They filter the sunlight and still keep it bright. And it's just is the area that keeps us happy and going. That's me. That's my home. Always changing, evolving with time, seasons. I like to do according to the seasons and the aesthetics that we pick on travels. I have a vision, but we like to improvise. Hope you liked my home. Hope you liked visiting us today. Do not forget to subscribe to Homely by LBB and watch more of the lovely content on home decor.